Hi, my name is Mary Holloway. I will be discussing the language and math activity for preschoolers. This is called the apple tree activity. My target age range is 4-year-olds, but 3-year-olds and 4-year-olds can do it. The learning guidelines and standards is counting and cardinality. Count to tell the number of objects. With guidance and support, they will attempt to compare quantities of numbers using concrete manipulatives to determine more than, less than, same, and different. The specific goal is that the children will be able to count the buttons on the tree. The objectives is that the children will be able to count the buttons on the tree. The children will be able to color their book. The children will be able to help make their apple tree book independently. I can help them, but try their best to do it independently before I help them. The vocabulary introduced is apple, tree, buttons, book, glue, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The materials needed is paper, glue, crayons, buttons, marker, and scissors. The children will create an apple tree book. I will have the pages printed out of the tree and make it into a book for them. They will color the pages if they want to and glue the buttons on the tree of how many are supposed to be on the page. And here is my not so good tree. I would probably do printouts, but right here I'm gonna just show you. Obviously they're gonna make it in a book, so it's gonna be like this with like multiple pages in there so that we can go through the numbers. But for now, this is what we're gonna do. So it's gonna have the number like written out right here. So I'll get this. So say it's 5. I write it like this so I could see it each way. 5 equals 5. So if it's 5, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let me grab the other one. 4, 5. Now they will be glued onto there because we will make the book. Oh, there went one of my buttons, 2 of my buttons. But as you can see, you just place them on there in the tree. And then when we get done, we'll go back through it and count all of them. But the assessment questions is, will the children be able to glue the buttons on the tree? I will explain to them how to glue it on there. You just place a little bit of glue, put them on there, and then I will also help them if they don't understand how many are supposed to go on each tree. I can go around and help them. Will the children be able to sit in their seats while doing this activity? And will the children be able to count the buttons correctly? Now that part refers to once we get all of them on the tree and go over it, if they can count with me, because we're going to go back over it. We're all going to make one, and I'm going to have one too. And then I'm going to be like, okay. The first page is, start off with 2. Count with me. 1, 2. Now, how many apples are on my tree? 2. Go to the next page. 1, 2, 3, 4. because I'm just gonna skip some, just, and then be like, how many are on that tree? 4. So that is my activity. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.